Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gina and I am the creator of Cozy Cabin Creations. I'd like to welcome you back, and if you are new here, thank you for joining. I appreciate it. Today is a very special video because I hit 500 subscribers. I cannot believe it. I am so excited. I thank each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart. It means the world to me. I know I've said this before, but I will keep on saying it. You guys mean everything to me. And when I started this channel a couple months ago, I never in a million years thought that I would even have 20 subscribers, let alone that I am at 500 now. And I just love the fact that I get to share everything with you and that you enjoy watching me, because I really enjoy sharing everything that I'm doing with you. So I wanted to show you the giveaway because that's what this video is really all about. You will be getting this Furls hook, which I showed in my last video, but if you have not watched that, you should. And also, this is the Furls hook. It is a size H Furls hook, a 5mm. It is beautiful. They are my absolute favorite hooks. I love them so much. So I wanted to share that joy. And also you will be getting, oh, it was a little fuzzy, this Marley dog, which is one of my favorite patterns. It's from Oak and Marlow, and I love these patterns. She has so many of them. I talk about them all the time, and whoever wins gets to see how cute they are up close and personal, because these patterns are just precious and they sell really well at fairs. So this is what you'll be receiving. This is my giveaway for my 500 subscribers. Oh, how cute would that be if I did it like that? I might have to do that with him holding the Furls hook. So cute. Okay, so in order to win, in order to enter the giveaway, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and then go over to my Instagram, which is also the same name, and I have it linked in my link tree in my bio. It is Cozy Cabin Creations, CABN Cabin Creations, over on Instagram, and I will have a 500 subscriber giveaway post posted, and please like that, follow me, and comment down below. I don't know, what should the comment down below be? Anything you want. You know what? Comment down below what you'd like to see coming up in my videos. Give me some inspiration to show you guys. So comment down below in the YouTube, not the YouTube, I'm so sorry, in the Instagram post what you would like to see. You could also comment here as well if you would like, but it has to be on my Instagram, because on the Instagram is where I will be pulling the winner from. So you need to like, subscribe to YouTube, go on to my Instagram, like, follow, and comment on the 500 follower or subscriber posts that I will have posted up there. I'm sorry, I know it seems like a lot, but it's not, because you're getting a good gift. You're getting a good gift. Now, I haven't been working on much, but I will show you what I have been working on. I took a little break. The holidays were a little hectic. I had Christmas Eve here, and my dad and his wife, my stepmother, came over, and we had a very nice night. And I also had my 2 grown kids come up here and spend the night as well. So I got to wake up Christmas morning with all of my children in my house, and it just meant the world to me, and I was so happy. So I have not been doing much crocheting. I did purchase some patterns. I was following Oak and Marlow, and I was following, who else was doing 12 Days of Christmas? The Cozy Stitch. Not Oak and Marlow, I'm sorry. I was following the Cozy Stitch, and she does the Endy Maid, I think her name is. She does the Pipsqueaks. So I was following those two, and I was buying patterns, whatever was on sale. So I did purchase a lot of good patterns for spring markets. I am signing up for one in March and one in April, so I am going to be getting started on prepping for that because I really don't have any spring stuff. I have a ton of Halloween and I have a ton of Christmas left, but I don't have anything for spring, and I don't have any just basic market stuffies. So I'm doing that, and I am currently working on a scarf for myself because, you know, every now and then you have to make yourself something. And this is a granny rectangle scarf. They are very, very simple to make, and I love it. I'm going to add some fringe to it. It's not finished yet, but I'm definitely going to add some fringe to the bottom, and I just love these colors. I am once again using, because I really love this yarn, and I think I'm going to get some more because it's on sale right now at Michael's, so check that out online. It is the Slice of Anniversary Cake, and just so you know, this color is called Playgroup. I just had people come in. So this is what shut my door, please. Yeah. I'm so sorry. It's always hectic in my house. It's always hectic. So this is what I have been working on, and I love it. I'm very happy with it, and I can't wait to wear it because it's so cozy and soft. So I did follow a YouTube video just to get a little bit started with the rectangle. The granny rectangle. I wasn't sure I know how to do it, but sometimes I just question myself. So I wanted to follow something just to get started. So I will link that YouTube video down below because I highly recommend you make one of these scarves because they're fun and you deserve something for you. So, oh, and I'm using a 9mm crochet hook. That's what I'm using, the MN crochet hook. So my house just got very noisy. I am going to let you go. I again thank you so much for following me and subscribing and being a part of this little journey that I have created. I really appreciate it. Like this video, make sure you're subscribed, go over to my Instagram, follow, like the post, and comment below, and I will pick a winner to win the adorable Marley dog and the Furls crochet hook, and I will let you know. Let's see, I'll give it about 3 days. Today is, what is today? Oh, I'm using my phone to film. So today is Saturday. Hold on, I have to stop filming to check the day. Okay, today is Saturday, December 28th, and I will draw the winner on New Year's Eve, and I will get on here and let you know who the winner is, and then you can contact me with your info so that I can mail you out your adorable Marley dog and your delightful crochet hook because I love the Furls hooks. So thank you again. I really appreciate everything, and until next time.
I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go.